Okay, so today we will see what is idempotency. Let's say we have one input and we perform one specific operation on it and we get a output from that. Let's say this is our output. So now we perform the same operation on the same input multiple times and even after that we get the same output. This behavior is called as the idempotency. So what is opposite of this? It is non-idempotent. It's, let's say we have one input here and when we perform operation on this is the operation, and every time we get a different result. This is the first result, let's say output 1. Then next time when I perform this I get another result which is output 2. I'm getting this result output 2. So every time I'm performing the same operation on the same input but I'm getting the different output. That is called a non-idempotent behavior. So let's say we have one endpoint which is user/name, which basically updates our username in the DB. So this request has the body as the name value, which is, let's say, Aishwarya, and when I perform this I trigger one endpoint with this request, I get one output which is the database update. So let's say this is my database and in my database name value is getting updated to Aishwarya. But let's say if I hit the same request twice with the same body, this same endpoint, then still my output remains the same. My database value will not change even though I perform this operation 100 times. So this is the idempotent behavior. So put request is idempotent. But let's say when I have another endpoint which is user/orders, which takes the order and updates the orders array in the DB. Let's say this is post request and it has the body of it item with the item name, let's say laptop. This is the item name in my order. So if I perform this request first time, let's say my database will get will have an orders array and this item will be put in that array laptop. So when I perform the same operation second time, my database value of the orders array will update to 2 items in the orders array with 2 laptops. Then when I perform this thrice, the 3 laptops will be there in the array. This is how the non-idempotent behavior works here.